Hey everyone, welcome back to another product video for this adjustable bicycle kickstand. I already had this kickstand for over a year now, and this is a perfect alternative if your bike doesn't have a kickstand. Installation is very easy. All you have to do is just loosen up this bolt here, and this easily moves, and then you just push it through your frame, and this is held on from the top and the bottom piece right here. Very easy to use. If you need to adjust the height of your bike, all you do is just press this button and then the legs come off. Let me show you that. So it stretches out. So depending on the size that you want your bike to stand, this adjusts easily. And this also works well if you need to do maintenance on your bike. So this could act like a bike stand also. Bring it back down, you press the button, and it holds up. When you're not using it, it easily slides back up. So it's perfect even when you're not using it. And when you need to, push it back, and it holds the bike nice and sturdy. The bike does not move. Very sturdy, built very well. Overall, this is a great bicycle kickstand. I like how installation is very easy. All you do is just loosen up this top bolt, and this slides in place over your frame. This is like a clamp. I also like how you're able to adjust the height of the kickstand depending on how high that you need the kickstand to be. And I also like how this folds up very easily and is convenient when you're riding your bike. And the build quality is very strong.